Well, hello and welcome everybody as you join us today on a drive into Dale Abbey, and then we're going to turn the car around and then drive back towards the M1. So there is going to be me talking once we have reached the pub at Dale Abbey, but for this first part there's going to be no noise. The wind was quite loud on the recording, but as soon as we get to the village entrance where it's the 30 zone, I will go back to the natural sound. So yeah, it's a beautiful place. You can do some walking around here. There's something that's worth checking out, which is on the other channel, which is the Hermit's Cave. Definitely recommend you check that video out, and it's a hike to Dale Abbey. And yeah, just hope you enjoy it, everybody. Please smash the like button and subscribe if you're new here. Cheers. Right guys, so we're in Dale Abbey. If you're considering visiting the Hermit Cave, don't necessarily park in the village, because the village is actually very small and there's not got a lot of car parking anyway. You're better off parking. There's a play park here on the left actually, Shelley. So if you've got kids you can walk into Dale Abbey. So there is a parking spot here if you want to walk into the village, but my suggestion is that I want to show you it's probably the best place to park your car and then walk. So, at the top of Woodpecker Hill here and Potato Pit Lane, there's actually car park spaces for you to park on. Now, if you're wondering why it's called Potato Pit Lane up here, it's because at the top of this hill, there's actually a little cave with a door on it, cave entrance with a door on it, and it's where they used to store the potatoes. So you park on the right here, folks, to do Dale Abbey. Perfect spot to park in. And we're heading all the way up to the top. There's also parking up here as well, and there's actually a van parked in there. That's another spot you can park. Adventure awaits. Car shed down there. Is that a cafe?
Yeah.
Car shed.
Yep.
Not really, no.
Where the gate is, it's gate basically.
No, it's too much mud there. I don't fancy it. Not in this.
Another one a bit further up as well.
Hmm?
There's another one a bit further up. There's a couple up there actually.
Where is it?
Stables are though, so it's not going to be very easy to stop and do it.
I was tempting us to look at a duster.
Yeah.
I know you don't want a duster, but
This sort of thing, yeah.
when you're out and about,
Not economical, are they?
not bad. The hybrid version's not bad. I'm not sure about the petrol version. Well, then what's it depends. Well, they are and they're not.
Another one here, but I wouldn't well put it in front of white signs.
No, don't put it in front of the farmhouse, literally.
One down there, but it's still like 300 metres down there. So.
Just give it up today,
Yeah.
shall I've done enough. I've done enough.
Well, if you park there, you could do a little circuit. You could do.
Well, maybe next time we'll park there.
Yeah. Lock that one. I've got the one we did.
See bugger all up there.
Yeah. We'll see.
Shall.
Alright.
So yeah, we're now on Rushley Lane. We're going to be heading into the village, and then I'm going to end the upload. I'll show you this is how close it is to the motorway. We're less than a mile away now from the M1. And we started the recording here, but I will end it in the village. smacked into the curb, that bloke. Like proper full on.
I wonder if that van was getting rid of gardening waste, you know. I'm not sure you can, that's like...
It is, it's still classed as flat, I think. Yeah. Yeah, that man just smacked into the curb there. Ooh, tractor. I've got to stop up here somewhere. Man away. Tractor! As soon as we get over this road, I'm going to pull up. Might just turn into Risley. I'll turn into Risley and then I'll do it.
Opportunity to stop.
Eh?
You're more opportunity to stop.
Oh, you say that. I can stop down here, can't I?
There's a series of caches around there.
Where's that?
On this road for that.
Is that park here? No. Does it really go anywhere? No, it don't, does it? Right, folks, I'm going to end it there. Thank you very much for watching this one. And we'll be back again soon with another drive. Thank you very much and goodbye.